Stop living on autopilot. Some people aren't stuck. They are just living on autopilot. And why I said that? Repeating the same days over and over and over again. Same routine, same habits, same results. Not because life can change, but because nothing new is being done. Comfort, my friend, will keep us still. Being comfortable feels safe, of course. But too much comfort at times can keep us from growing. Awareness changes everything. The moment you become aware of what you are doing daily, you can start changing it up. Small shift, create different outcome. Be intentional. Don't just go through the day. Choose how you show up. Choose what you do. That's how life starts to change. My friends, let us stop living on autopilot. Do you feel like you have been on autopilot lately? And if so, my friends, please comment in the comment section. Wake up.